How to read your Avant loan agreement carefully. First of all, begin by locating the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment schedule. These three details tell you how much you are borrowing, how much you will pay in total, and when your payments are due. Double check that the loan amount matches what you applied for and confirm whether the interest rate is fixed or variable. Next, look at the fees section. Avant may include origination fees, late payment fees, or repayment penalties. Make sure you understand when these fees apply, how much they cost, and whether you can avoid them. Then review the terms related to missed payments or defaults. See what happens if you miss a payment. Some agreements mention grace periods, while others may lead to immediate penalties or account closure. Also check for automatic payment terms. Some agreements include autopay clauses, which means funds will be deducted automatically from your account. Be sure you are comfortable with this setup and that your bank account has enough balance on due dates. Now you know how to read Avant loan agreement carefully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.